This is the morning weather update. This is for Monday, the 6th of March. I'm James Spann. Weather looks gorgeous today. Lots of sunshine, a warm afternoon. Many spots will see 80, maybe low 80s today, but a few showers are possible tomorrow. The latter half of the week looking a little unsettled, but the good news, we don't expect any severe weather problems this week. We'll take that here in March. This is the upper air look across the country, and we've got the ridge persisting over the Gulf of Mexico and near the Gulf Coast. The mid-latitude westerlies a little to the north of us, but a very dry air mass in place, and the sky is fair, nothing on radar. Really nice conditions coming up today. Early this morning, readings are mostly in the 40s to near 50 for the northern half of the state. Low 50s for Dothan, upper 50s for Mobile, but again, the high today at or just over 80 in most spots. We do note early this morning there is a dense fog advisory for Mobile, Baldwin, Escambia, and Washington counties down in southwest Alabama and along the Gulf Coast. That will be dissipating by mid-morning. Up north, got a few scattered winter weather advisories from Montana to the Great Lakes and up in the northeast. But overall, things pretty quiet. And the good news, we don't expect any severe weather across the country today. Tomorrow, there is a marginal risk around Wichita Falls, Texas. And Wednesday, day 3, a marginal risk over parts of South Oklahoma and north and west Texas. But again, for Alabama, we don't see any severe thunderstorms this week. But rain, yes, it will be coming back over the latter half of the week. We'll have a few showers tomorrow, then some rain at times Wednesday through Friday. Weekend forecast a little iffy, as you'll see. Rain amounts between 1 and 2 inches for the north, under 1 inch for the south. And this is valid through Monday morning of next week. So model fans, here we go. This is the GFS, the 06Z run. Valid today at 4. By the way, the time changes Sunday, which means the model data will be rolling in 1 hour later than it has been for us, but we're used to that. Ridge over the Gulf, trough back in the northwest, and a sunny day today. And there might be a shower near the Gulf Coast, but even there, few and far between, highs around 80. So tomorrow, again, a warm front will be trying to lift north, and we'll mention a chance of widely scattered showers late in the day. The better chance of a shower over South Alabama, even there, probably not much rain. Highs, again, upper 70s and low 80s with a mixture of clouds and sunshine. Now, Wednesday, cooler air will be dropping in from the north, and we'll probably have a big thermal gradient. Up in the Tennessee Valley, you could be in the 50s, Mobile close to 80, and there should be some rain at times with that surface boundary nearby. And the problem is the front's just going to stall out. This is Thursday. Again, cloudy, a few periods of rain. From Birmingham north, highs in the 50s. South of Birmingham, 60s and 70s. And then on Friday, again, rain likely at times. Temperatures probably in the 60s. Maybe a clap of thunder somewhere, but no severe weather. And then for the weekend, we have seen all kind of solutions here. This is the GFS, and it's just dry as could be, but other runs have suggested the front could try and hang up. But for now, we'll be optimistic and forecast a dry day Saturday with highs in the 60s. But then Sunday, another feature comes in really quickly with a chance of showers. So we'll bring in a chance of rain on Sunday with a high close to 70. And this is a week from today, Monday, the 13th of March, and a pretty good trough coming through and a punch of drier, cooler air coming in. But again, I caution you that weekend forecast is a little iffy. It's not a especially high confidence forecast. Let's go out 10 days. This is Wednesday of next week. And again, you can see a really intense trough over the east coast and a northwest flow aloft and a pretty good shot of colder air coming in here. But it's dry by the middle part of next week. And again, how cold? It's just 10 days out. We don't know that yet, but I firmly believe this could bring many places down to freezing at some point toward the middle or end of next week. Rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble, the mean between 3 and 4 inches between now and the 23rd of March. Now, this is coming off the national blend of models. This is an ensemble approach, and it tends to be a little conservative. And again, you can see around 80 today and tomorrow. Then 60s Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then 50s Monday and Tuesday of next week. And again, your number could vary here, but I do think toward the middle of next week, even though we're seeing upper 30s on the NBM here, it's going to be colder than that probably. So just be aware of that. And growers beware. In fact, this is the latest CPC outlook. This is for March 13th through March 19th. And again, blue for much of the country, meaning temperatures below average. Of course, this is March. This is not January. Below average is different this time of the year. But again, I firmly think we will be below freezing on several more mornings before the season is totally over. So, did you look up last night? Hope you did. Those two planets have been putting on a pretty good show the last week or so. Venus and Jupiter. Nice to see people looking up into the sky. So often we just don't do that anymore. But with a clear sky last night, the two planets were looking awfully good. Love that shot. Had a big fire pit going, and you can see the planets in the upper right. And the moon was almost full last night, 96%. It'll be full tonight. And the sunset last night was good. Wheeler Lake up on the Tennessee River. Just gorgeous. You know, March can bring such a wild variety of weather here, but occasionally the weather is just outstanding like it was yesterday. And the Gulf Coast looks good. You know, the spring break folks are about to head down there for the big weekends and weeks they'll have. But again, that was Inlet Beach last night. So that's it for the morning weather briefing. Let's see what we're doing this week. I know this morning I'm going out to Trussville, Cahaba Elementary School, and then I'm going back to Trussville tomorrow for Payne Elementary School. Got back-to-back Trussville programs. Wednesday, Bessemer Academy. Thursday, Leeds Primary School. And then Friday, I'll spend the morning in Tuscaloosa. I've got Rock Quarry Elementary and Flatwoods Elementary. And then Saturday, we have a book signing in Cleburne County. So if you're in East Alabama or West Georgia, come see us. We're going to be in Edwardsville, which is a little east of Heflin, at the place where it says they have the best gas station food ever. I was driving to Fruithurst Elementary for a weather program a while back, and I saw that sign, almost ran off the road. I'm thinking, whoa, because I'm a gas station connoisseur of food. But it's the Shoal Creek Market and Grill. We'll be there from 9:30 until 12:30. So all the books and the shirts and everything, and we'll try the best gas station food ever. Hey, we have notes on the blog. That is alabamawx.com. And, of course, if you can, we invite you to watch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.